Hello, my name is Luis Pedro Peñapol, and I am 32 years old. I live in Santa Marta, Magdalena. I am a student to become pharmacy technician. In my free time, I enjoy watching anime and playing soccer. In my daily routine is usually take a shower, brush my teeth, have breakfast, drink a cup of coffee, and go to work with my family. I love to go out to eat ice cream and go to the beach to enjoy the sea and spend time together.